How do you cool your products? Still using traditional blast chillers for rapid cooling? Did you know that this old technology could be costing you thousands of pounds in unnecessary time and energy? Here's why. Traditional blast cooling systems struggle to prevent air bypassing the product due to the gaps around it. It's easy for air, and therefore energy, and ultimately your money, to escape. Products are often not cooled to the required level at the center of the pallet rack and can be dispatched not at the right temperature, which can lead to product issues and even product rejection. Put plainly, these systems are wasteful, as ultimately they are simply blowing away your money and resources. The experts at Penmann would like to introduce an alternative to wasteful, ineffective blast chilling. Penmann's rapid cooling solution is proven to save you energy and increase product efficiency. Presenting the Clauger patented rapid cooling cell. Penmann Clauger collaborating together to offer food producers substantially improved rapid cooling solutions. With over 150 installations and over 3,500 cells already in operation around the world, it's a powerful argument for taking a closer look at the technology. Here's how the cell technology works. The Clauger rapid cooling system forms a tight seal around the product, therefore ensuring all the air and energy, as well as your money, goes directly into cooling your product, as opposed to bypassing it. The cell can cool a wide range of products across a variety of pallet and rack heights. Making sense so far? Now for some more benefits. Efficiency. Perfect seal around the product. Product cooling efficiency maximized. Current cooling times substantially reduced. 2-year payback achievable. Quality. Consistent cooling across all product stack. Reduced food safety risk. Costly product rejection avoided. Patented draw-through airflow prevents product loss. Versatility. Modular installation, both manual and automated. Maximize valuable production space. Specific products independently cooled. Can deal with variable pallet heights. Cell units individually controlled. Install as part of a new scheme or retrofit into an existing blast chiller. Penmann Clauger, bringing you the quickest, most efficient and versatile rapid cooling solution. Hundreds of companies are already reaping the benefits. Are you ready to join them? Time to call the experts at Penmann.